Hey guys, I'm Silverwolf and I finally got my hands on Sno-Way. I had to order Sno-Way from Amazon in America, so it took a while to come, but it's finally here. And I know you guys have been looking forward to seeing me unbox this one, so let's get to it. So as you can see, the packaging is very much holiday themed. There's like a golden bow there and sort of snow everywhere. I'm honestly surprised that they didn't release this closer to the holiday season, but there you go. It was released in August. So you've got a picture on the side of Sno-Way with a golden background. On the back, it's just showing that they harmonise with other Furblets. And on the side, it tells you press reveal to make the ears pop out. So let's open them up. Oh, this one doesn't actually have the little tag on it. You know how the plastic tag of the Furblet is kind of attached to the flaps here via a little paper thing. It also says Tiger Electronics, which is kind of nostalgic as well. So let's get Sno-Way out. It comes with all the usual instruction manual and stuff like that. So here's Sno-Way. Now, I think that personally, and I knew that it wouldn't be like this, but I wanted it to have kind of like the tinsel fur sort of style, similar to a couple of those old 90s Furbies, the crystal 90s Furby and the baby that matches it. I think that would have been really, really good. If you don't know what the tinsel fur thing is, you see how this sparkles like that? Well, it's kind of, that kind of stuff is sewn into the fur. And I think that would have been absolutely brilliant. And as you can see, it's not. I think it would have been better, but it probably would have been a little bit more expensive to manufacture. This one here is pearlized, as you can see. I'm trying to see whether it sparkles. It doesn't especially sparkle, but it is shiny and pearlized. The hair is just sort of regular. So let's see what Sno-Way has to say. Well, it's nice that the music is kind of like jingly, you know, holiday kind of music, which we all thought it would be anyway. And that one, sound clip seemed to last for a little bit longer than some of the others. Wow, that's quite a giggle. And what I didn't do earlier was actually show you what the Furby's face looks like. It is, it's got little snowflakes in the eyes here. As you can see, they're quite sparkly. And it's the faceplate. Yeah, the faceplate's kind of pearlized. You can see it there in the light. And the heart gem is also pearlized. And the insides of the ears, they're sort of pearlized as well, actually. You can kind of see it in the camera there. So there you go, that's Sno-Way. And yeah, I like that they haven't reused any sound clips, or at least it doesn't appear that they've reused any sound clips. It's kind of like Greeny Meeny, but holiday themed, I suppose, in that it's fairly different to all the others. Not quite as different as Greeny Meeny though. But yeah, I definitely like the holiday music and that it plays as well. It's quite festive. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the unboxing of this one. If you want to see, I think it's going to sleep now. Yes, it is. If you want to see more unboxings of the Furblets, you can click the boxes that come up below. If you want to check out my Etsy and New Monday stores, links are in the description. I do artwork and commissions, and I make plushies. Or if you want to buy me a coffee on Ko-fi, if you enjoy what I do, it all helps. A link for that is also in the description. So that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silverwolf signing off.